Here we are going to solve the problem of the checksum. What is the problem given? The block of 32 bits means total data is of 32 bits to be sent using checksum of 8 bits, and we need to generate checksum of 8 bits. Means the frame size will be of 8 bit. So what we are going to do? We are going to divide this 32 bit data into 8 bit blocks. One block is of 8 bit. So how many blocks will be there? So 32 by divided by 8. So total 4 blocks will be there. Okay. So this is what the given data is of 32 bit. Now I am going to divide this data 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit. Like this, total 4 bits, 4 blocks are there. This is how we done with the breaking of data into number of blocks. So these are the blocks we have designed. After that, in the second step, what we are going to do? We are going to do the sum of all k data blocks. These are 4 data blocks, so k is equal to 4 here, and we are going to do the sum of all these k blocks. So before doing the addition of these binary digits, we will just revise how binary addition will be performed. So in the binary addition, if we are going to perform the 0 plus 0, the result will be 0, 0 plus 1, the result will be 1, 1 plus 0, the result will be 1, 1 plus 1, the result will be 0 with carry 1. How? So 1 plus 1 will be decimal 2. Okay. So in the decimal 2 will be represented as 1 0. So here 0 we are containing and 1 will be proceeding for carry. Okay. Similarly, when we are going to add 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 with the carry 1. How? So 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Here. And 2 to the power 0 1 and 2 to the power 1 is 2. So here 2 plus 1 is 3. So like 3 is represented as 1 1. So that's why 1 is containing and 1 will be forwarded for the carry. Now here we will do the addition for the similar. So here 1 0 0 0, it will be 1. Again 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. Here we are adding 1 1. It means what we are going to do? 0 and with carry 1. So here 1 0 0 0 means 1 plus 1. Again 0 with carry 1. Again 1 plus 1. 0 with carry 1. Here 3 times 1 we are adding means 1 with carry 1. 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 will be what? 0 with carry 1. Here 4 times 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. So 4 times 1 means 4 will be represented as 1. Yes, 1 0 0 means 2 to the power 0 1 2. Okay, so that's why 1 0 0. So we will carry the 0 and other 1 0 will be keeping as a carry here. So here what we will do in the next step, we are just going to wrap up this carry bits. So for wrapping up this carry bit, we are just going to add it again. Okay, so 1 0 1 1 1 0 with carry 1 0 1 1. Other beats will remain same. This is what the sum we get. After getting this sum, what will be the next step? We will do the ones complement of it. Ones complement is what? The 1 will become 0 and 0 will become 1. And the result is called as checksum. Okay, now what we will do? We are going to append this checksum with our given data bits and we are going to transmit it. So here how we are going to append this checksum with our original data and going to transmit it. So what will be happen at the receiver end? So at the receiver end, again all the checksum of all the frames will be calculated first. So here after adding all the data frames along with the checksum, what the result we get is the 1 1 1 1 1, and we do the complement, then we get 0 0. If we get result like this 1 1 without complement and 0 0 with complement, then the pattern will be, means pattern is okay, means data is acceptable. Otherwise receiver will just reject that data. So observe this pattern and follow these steps to find out the checksum. This error will be considered within no error transmission.